In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scrapbook using Canva. This tutorial is crafted to guide you through the steps of creating a beautiful scrapbook with ease, even if you're new to Canva or digital scrapbooking in general. Stay tuned as we dive into this creative process. Firstly, to get started, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in the word scrapbook. Canva's search function will present you with a variety of templates you can choose from. This is a great place to start, especially if you need some inspiration or a base to build upon. Take a moment to browse through the options available. There are countless designs, each offering a unique style. Don't be afraid to explore different themes and formats until you find one that resonates with your vision. Once you've found the perfect template, it's time to make it your own. Click on the one you like to open it. Now you'll see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, Canva grants you access to personalize the template with your photos, text, and other elements, allowing you to let your creativity flourish. The next step is to add your personal touch. Look for the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, click on it, and you'll have the option to upload your own images. These can be anything from family photos to mementos you want to include in your scrapbook. Simply drag and drop your images from your computer into the designated upload area. Once your photos are uploaded, it's time to add them to your scrapbook. Drag and drop each image onto the pages of the template where you think they fit best. Don't worry if you're unsure about placement at first. Canva's easy to use interface makes it simple to move things around until you get it just right. As you insert your photos, consider how they work together on the page. Think about the story you want to tell. Maybe it's a family vacation, an anniversary celebration, or just a collection of moments that mean something special to you. Canva provides various tools to crop, rotate, and adjust your images, ensuring they fit seamlessly into your design. You can also add text to narrate your scrapbook. Use the text tool to create captions or write short paragraphs detailing the memories captured by your images. Play around with fonts and colors to find a style that adds to the aesthetic of your book. Take your time to explore these functionalities and let your creativity lead the way. Once you're satisfied with your design, your digital scrapbook will be ready to cherish and share. And that's it, you've successfully created a scrapbook on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I encourage you to keep exploring Canva's features to enhance your scrapbooking projects even further.